in as much as me feel say yana ebi wo ho no mo ye didi agro. That is my belief. Say ebi wo ho mo ye didi agro. A couple of them way back, when issues about me and my say people were senior we dey na come dey hype kakra. Me many mu ase. And then I spoke to them, some of them politely, they understood me. Others too, my lawyers had to call them. Be a while, recalcitrant. Yes. Some of the issues, you allow them to die naturally. At the end, say, no cry. You don't entertain it. If it is not true, maturely, I'll just calm myself, quietly be my somewhere, and then I'll allow it to go off, die out naturally. But that does not mean, sir, people should take me for granted. And I say,
hello, I heard for Poleeno Multimedia. They are making sure I had the exclusive interviews now. Into one say with data that. Mediane I'm strong Poleeno there. Ko Instagram Poleeno_com ne ko follow ye. Never a part of the family. Mene Nana Asamoah and it's na me ame papa and kumawood president and you can't be away jumana untimi nyin oboni patre kra na 2 a untimi nyin na Asamoah din frame na mpacha mo aka over Poleeno Multimedia studio.
Yeah, Agya.
We be the kind me da was say wa my sa akonya.
Now, Mama Zuminka, congratulations. I'm impressed with who you have become now, and then let me say, to God be the glory, and humility, respect, and diligence, and and I'm praying, sir, made over farther than what I am seeing today. In fact, I'm impressed. Watch me,
that's I have for more minimum story, na shall say, you can't. Obi also means Nana Asamoah on net to him. I mean, papa. They be a meka, but maybe a munya who but ne or come on. Me that's say what share me with braces. And I'm that's.
Oh, and then
I have forced them a kind or a higher Poleeno Multimedia. Yenya Nana Asamoah na and some man I say, your my training with social media about kumawood no. I was say it to me a bisano. Nana. No say or add be air fly or social media ne Adom TV say kumawood premieres. Na any revival of kumawood ya master tia you say mo ye juma bebre no. Emunche mu ne say na.
That's say we are bringing back the kumawood lover. And ne ad na was who Adom TV yeah, kase kumawood premieres, Adom TV, I'm the multimedia for the Film Producers Association of Ghana. Our multi-track your movies no more. They've come into an agreement. Say the Adom TV channel will give them some airspace.
Okay.
Na movies are air baffle from no more premiere or I then amawomo. Say sake of COVID, opportunities in good theaters and premieres. I think it's a very laudable understanding and as an agreement. Omodia bar ebe mase utimi ejmankwadia the Adom TV channel will premiere the movie for you. When they mentioned it, yes, so we were quite happy, and I had to do an endorsement of that arrangement, and so that is what you see on TV. I catch a phone say subsequently movies are and I say some of the movies that are shoot to premiere and I outdoor na mabonte so channel no Agya Koo na also say like they will premiere the movies and then sana individual producers Multimedia to channels ahodo they monetize and so we'll take the opportunity of talking about some of the portals as in some of the channels now producers now monetizing also so when we get there we'll reach there.
Okay, I think that this is very clear and I say very understandable what you are saying now.
Sure.
About producers, so any investor they will get their money back.
Sure.
Is it at a cost and I say I don't DNA free?
I wouldn't say a free analysis is coming at a cost because I'm not privy to arrangements. No?
Okay.
What I know is that this is the opportunity that they are giving, and I feel that yes, definitely. You know, I don't know, be you know what I mean? Now be on your telly, and then and also so no, there's some eyeballs every bread at Dom TV channel, as well as people sponsorships and all that. And I think it's an arrangement, a sort of agreement to be on Mwakwa, which I think any producers will benefit one way or the other. And you know, I think yes, it will bring some sort of income to the producers. Yes.
Okay. Nanam Pachomenya we there. Most of the times, when people say your production, no, sometimes ye the nyoma bi di agro kakra nti coming back no, and sa nyoma ni nyina na ya sort ya na say.
Yeah, yes and no, and yes again, because I think baby I be drew here as an industry, no, players are almost warm as well as producers are almost warm. You know, say you're free baby, ni be drew baby. You know, I always want to use the word challenging. You know, we are in challenging times. Yeah, because ananzana COVID bebano na your industry no na nose dive kakra yes. But to some of us, enya idea enwanwa because a way back and industry no ya strive and me kaise me ba industry no na say yeah kumawood no yeah the video cassette players VHS and na yeah juma. And the other VHS here, Juman, and got to the point we had to shift from VHS to VCD. And that time, you know, you have problem we are. Jumano echo forms and sana CD no for betia say ebe pekia. Yeah, by God's grace, VCD players, number system, ni one for etia Jumanasi and sana sign ejina na subim. And ne se CD no so fade outmoded. As they say, the trend is digital. It's like as they say, online platforms. We need to stream our movies and all that. On a movement from one area to another, and it definitely bema sales are then aquaform, bema patronage. So IBBO, but that is why some of us are taking it upon ourselves to say. The least opportunity I benya to say no you chechenko for mama matias yes it is not a matter of say a jumane gu anaze egu but it is how the producers will get the end product to the customer and I said to the consumer. As me as an actor, I am alive, I am working, and then the producers are also there, and it's almost the directors are also there, the crew are also there. So almost etimi come together and a producer because of koye ejuma na otimi rally all of us together na ye koye ejuma na ye wia ebe den na ye de kwahin and ebe den na obi a ote sunwan tokromu baabi ana say northern region baabi enya bia ye den ahwe. That is our challenge now. That our problem has to do with the marketing and distribution. So eno na nyame adom
one or two ways.
Exactly. I don't premiere see by money producers, you know, if they are able to come into a very sound agreement, I think it will help the producers. And I feel say quite a chunk of the producers also movies not two apps beat a set perfect TV app. Okay. You know, and I know we also know about YouTube and other channels, you know. But what I want to talk about emphatically a perfect TV app, because it is an application. It was created by Ghanaians, young, talented Ghanaian students, OK and UST, and Oma Critisa app, and they've come together and then they've brought their ideas together. And Oma Critisa app, no, and then almost they ama film producers and enya baby the movies no. Me know kase ofa mobile phone now go Play Store. You get the perfect TV app. You just would have to download it, subscribe to it, and then you watch some of the movies free. And once so no premiere movies. So it is a new movie now person and a COVID that bay. You just have to go on your phone. So as I said, now when you perfect app maybe now you download whatever movie you want to watch and I'll subscribe directly from your mobile money account. But a better opportunity to watch the movie for free, or just you watch the movie to the full length. At the comfort of your home and all that. And you know, I think you better more baso. So na almost so almost try so almost be ye ebisa no. Almost nyina so you better more baso because ni nyina ka ho bi na be ma yen adwuma ye no obi so nsa be ka obenya bi ayede ahwe. And say obusa adwuma no yes. Baby are you free I be drew ha no. I think I'm now answering your question as in production, how is it going to go? And then baby I be drew no. I had to say baby how the adwuma no be fa wo de be man krofo ahwe no and no ankasa will determine the quality of adwuma obey. Okay. Ni nti American say application meet is a perfect app ya making. Say all the movie come out say any setting a new standard beer. Okay. They wouldn't take it. Okay. More or
less like Netflix.
Exactly. That standards ni nyina wo. Enti say ukoye adwuma na say baby a wo de konu nim say bia ho na de be ko there. Then you have to follow the standards. Okay. So and then you can standards. So I want to believe say you are not only talking about the technical aspects of it all, but you are looking at the quality of things that we do, as in yenye drama na no, as in the storyline, the setting, the locations and everything, you know. And also don't has to be more Ghanaian enough. Okay. It has to be fit the stories that we tell. And I think and then with the insets of Netflix and others, you know, ama obie who say ade no oye ni ye na oye ni ye nko ade you get the necessary revenue and microphone so be there because one thing ama aye efene say enye to say kane no why adwuma awie then you go like oh my year awie na part 1 and 2 ni akoton odwo mudru a say feel say nya feel na nipa nato o de bakwa kodru fiansa no bonzo de na omayi ohun but then there nipa no okohwe no online so or status wo hwe na no ohun say nya fa pe obejan no okona ni makwa akopɛ for Friday ahwe enti no enu nti na make say aba na be say standard no asset ne ho dada. Okay. So and you know you have no option but to follow suit and then do what is right. Yeah.
And see, I have for mom here Poleeno Multimedia. Anywhere you are in this world, just take your phone, call Play Store, download the Perfect TV app. Any quality kumawood new movie biana na say Ghanaian movie biana. Ubenya bi ho say na subscribe to Netflix no. Do same na your industry no entime and kwasho. And the Perfect TV app, it is there. They are working on the iOS Apple phone. For now, for Android.
For Android, okay. And I call my website, and so you can just watch on the internet, with World Wide Web, and then all that. And see, the iOS will soon come. They will launch that one as well, and then will be with access to it. Yes. All right.
Na structures bi ho say obi start production because before no him say obi buy I know abewrem no obi twa no sin no okọ ne more structures bi ho as president and I say player no senior player no more structures bi before obi bewrem no be pass it through those structures.
I can only speak for the actors, okay. You know, and I can try and say something about film production and our producers. I think the Omo Association, the Film Producers Association of Ghana, and that is the only known association. I mean, nationally recognized. Okay. Say minim say be juma as a film producer na wonye bi da. At least say the normal ethic is that you get to know somebody who's already done it before. Yeah. So na ocheche kwan no enti no ayana da bia say obi ba me ho for akwanchira de me kire ne say find a producer, go to the producers, let them take you through. Okay. When you are able to go through whatever that they will teach you, that is when you'll be able to do what is right. Okay. But on that of actors, you know, the Ghana Actors Guild, the say because a human a craft a skill, you know, obi abetimi asori no aka so onim ye no abeye bi, but then we your association is there for only professionals. Into professionals as in why a human be that yeah now person be join the association. What we do is okay, the human why you paying a juma why you no my a juma be you know why you play lead role. Okay. Odi eno beba. Now if you do saying why a juma no. Probably the least should be 3 years. Production house bang now no my age. You should have all these references. At least we can go back and look and talk to them and find out where you are coming from and then why and how you say you are a professional. But say obi a novice na feel no ba system anymore. One thing I know is that there are a lot of drama groups at war. Some of us were trained at the Center for National Culture. Okay. Or more drama club, not as war. Chematin Playhouse. Okay. Center for National Culture, Kumasi. And no say and there are a couple of them are almost training bathing actors. Okay. You just be with them almost stage, you know, more drama, almost the schools near that. So almost so no a groom actors, no kakra from the scratch, you know, camera fright, movement in front of cameras and all that. No, almost yes, I training the kakra and sana. The film producer because here. Obine na ye adwuma obi a den I recommend you and I say or call it for auditions now so tia now so akobi and then you pass here na o ma starting wa ye adwuma but say obi be mo say mraketi say they be just walk of far and sand we don't do that because everything that we're doing under the norms of the Ghana Constitution, and Constitution is freedom of association. You know, to me show say Chinchina just over join Kuna and Sana David. But when I'm in a walk and a yamma Crawford etiase omo person omo ye adwuma na no omo ye ni ya no omo ye che no omo tiase they go through this training and then omo ba be say yes ampa training na me call na aboa me and then it is the reason why I'm so me act. We've got a couple of them omo ba ya ye che omo sa akwanya na they follow suit and then we are doing what we are supposed to do at Eko Kamakam. Okay.
Yeah, that's an enchirmono. Na number cho me posti making of the movies ni bia lewen ya na kokra ne makeup akokra and then comments we bra me hu ye say if Kumawood is coming back why that painting ni bio and kofo we besides our question. Is it right?
I would never say it's right or wrong because it is allowed. Okay. It is allowed to say obi make you be up. Yeah. I'm gonna look the way you want him to look and then make him act for you or something. Yeah, you share coming to America, Eddie Murphy, you play how many roles? Or you play by 3 roles. It is allowed. But as in said the people like it or not, is what we should be looking at now. And then when we say we are rebranding Kumawood or we are bringing the Kumawood love back, it doesn't mean say throw out the cast the old cast and then bringing new ones. No. We are just doing new movies. We are just making people understand that the industry is not dead. We are doing new stories and then we are trying to let them understand that they say you're free. Can they see the brain as they say about digital? That is how come we are all helping and then talking about these digital apps, now streaming lines, but as in say, you make you be up and you making help. No. Now you said there are a couple of people who also love what they see, as in say nipa no nya akokra ne aye na akokra, you know. With that said, no, means me feel say the others, as in the people who are already aged, no, they are in the system and then they are working with them as well. Okay. And you know, a role, no, a director, no, you know, the prerogative of the director, and then the producer say, oh, this is a character in this story. How do we want it to go? For original aged, and I say, you make you be up, you know. So when it's a make an almost choice, almost choice, and to those who don't like it, I think they should exercise restraint. And yes, most of their comments that are coming, ni nyina no we factor them when we are working.
Okay.
Until me feel say a movie A and you didn't hear that particular character no. And you share comments because for now everything is going to be online. Okay. So the comments that they give and all that, the reviews and all that, we'll equally watch them, read them, and then a bit inform me your next job.
Okay.
So that and you know, say a movie A, you used to know as an old person, you know, what were the comments?
Asamoah.
A boy, yeah, saying be Asamoah. We'll move away from there. And you know, I am happy with the comments that you had, and I would encourage your viewers and say they should be giving us those reviews and those comments because those are the ones a be informal ye juma ye be buy
Okay. That's very nice. Nti I for more munche mu ne comment na mo de buy no. Ni nyina so ebo anti omo ne yenyini emum ne nyina build kumawood ne bio.
Yeah.
Nana challenge because adwuma e wo match o greatest challenge pa wo set so ye
Poleeno, you know me in person, and Tinka, we mean Yano, but to your viewers, you understand that and what I always tell myself is that whatever challenge that comes my way is a learning process.
Okay.
I'm trying to say, and senior Jumani
okay.
In as much as there be any pafofro bemuno, it tells you that onim and obey dear ya dikaya ye dada. So that's it. So we would have to take pains and then educate or encourage the person not to do whatever he did again. But let me say that bibia na over friend a challenge, me friend a learning process. To be a me and kasam sharpen me. It's been 2 decades and some years. Wow. And you should understand, sir, those had been challenges as we quote and unquote call them but because I accepted the fact that they are learning processes, it's what we've chosen to do, so why not accept and then learn from them and then move on. Yeah.
Wow. And see, over 20 years and I'm what game you why am key actors when now over 2 months now almost 30 years man. I thought you not take me there. That was what he said. Okay, any family almost 30 years man idea. I met Kokuchu Messi. Okay. I met Daniel Deleye. I met now director Agya Koo. I met Benedetto Sipokoko Muso, Martha Joyzata. The likes of Mark Brown came to meet me, Messi Edu came to meet me, Nana Hayford. We all started it together. Well, I wouldn't say I met them, we met. So we started at the core group now. Yeah, they started kumawood way back. You know, it all started when we were doing drama. We were doing drama, stage acting for students and all that. And Sana, Miracle Films, Mr. Asamoah came to start his movies. So yeah, free drama and the bar film industry. So you should understand. So we were there and we were there before kumawood, you know, and then kumawood came, a couple of people, yes. Yeah. We started with the likes of the late Kwame Uso and San, the late Santo, the late Susie Williams, you know, mention the names, Charlie. And easy. It's been a long journey. Chairman, yeah, chairman.
So but by God's grace, here we are. You know, a couple of them have also moved on, but God has been grateful. We are grateful to God. What do you mean by that?
Because easy say obey jinem for that long.
Yeah.
Still through support my ejimano.
Sure. Poleeno, some of us are doing this thing for the passion. Yeah. The love of it, you know. Yeah. When we were starting, we didn't know anything about social media. Okay. We didn't know anything about and no be before phone and seen so na was throughout there na do e china yeso a celebrity and I'm the kumawood star you know. And obi a bibi 1 2 3 no perform there is a kumawood star, you know. But yeah, some of us were doing it for the love of the job, you know. Acting no na passion be away mu na na because I can recall a story where yokoye adwuma bi na drama time no yako Yasanto secondary school yako stage ewo almost school entertainment week auditorium where ye pon anajo as late as some say 10 11 there about na I was here back na that time no you back to culture center and son obia finding a way home and some of us were Santase, South on Treso, North on Treso, you know, that's around the 19. If you do culture center there, easy so be able to coffee. Car de koyama. The reason Bay 11, the reason is a car na say. Almost so school bus and so on so driver no so upon coffee. So
from Tanaso to
you can imagine we had to trek. I was here 19 years back. And the beauty is that obia buamfu obi yenyina nkomodie sa yani ba ho so ni abedru bantama no obi afa me kwan ko ne fie. So how many people do that today, you know? And yeah, so now yeah adwuma na yeah my students no. Okay. Ebia close to the end of the semester and as almost exams week, you know. Okay. Ebia a week before almost literature exams, so no yeah do nyina ba culture center. Okay. Then almost set books no more better exams no on no. Then we will stage that.
Oh, okay.
So
na washe.
Na washe.
Na count.
Na count. Na unim. Omo ba omo kuta omo books no omo ba o. Nti wo no so na wo act no. Wo no lines na wo ka no. And one of books. There is no room for mistakes. Okay. There is no room for you to ad lib. Because oh no, they are can and was so man of verbatim. They are can and one crown one can yepe. You know students. Obet team one was wet, you know, and all that. But Nina Munishankana say it was fun. We were able to do it well and then I may Eddie Abidrua. Okay,
and talking about this because in some brain of what I can say kumawood for interesting here, they don't use script and then I to me and use scripts I say I can't show. And then they're okay in there. Say I think a boy bra haka.
A boy bra. Unza obi nimwa ano candy or pair because what I know is and sakra na you because setting there should be a script. Okay. So when the script I better go high director say director me ye adwuma na ne dey adwuma na wo ye oba na why dey what na waka chenju me person ko ABCD no aka chen no there be the story writer would have to write the story for you. So we executive producer we be trust story na ma say bia story we come out now wo so waje now wo dey ama script writer. That script writer knows why then was scripting no break his screenplay ni bibia no aye na director no abeji director no beji a obehwem or person wey changes be another or person wey bibi kan wo be fresh script writer no na then akasa. You know most often directors na just script na or no casting. Okay. And your casting say be a story oh this particular role there me person bill na here then he will jot it now. Into me over friend me say oh adwuma bi o me person obeye bi ya Mr. Mate director na script na ready. That is what I always ask them. O say script na ready mpacho na mo bi fa mrem na me nhwem. Okay. So with me major script na na mahwem ansa na maje pin say me ya na menye den menye because my script na how can I charge?
Okay. Until you charge based on the tedious work what you mean?
That is me. I charge based on what I am about to do in the story. Because why I'm just scripting not inform what you are about to do. Now koji ebia wa ko charge ni ba ko 1 trillion. 1 trillion maybe I buy a human kakra bi 2 days a human bi na wo ya. Unza anko ye we sisi ni pakro. Yes. But on the other way round say okoje kitwe bi so na adwuma na so tedious as I'm trying to say yeah and baby ye nyini ko no we should understand say enema bibre one for when ye mu but a bit me a heading aba so what I say bi wa mfo ni mu say oh ade we a bit me akosi bi amoye adwuma na na BBS there are going to be legalities involved and all that, you know, based on DNA or G2 Musa will be adwuma. So but me can say no obi also so or no onyate that say abrawa no ama ne kraso. Okay. So no about oh ma meteku ana ma msempo ameya ama ana oh de oh me come ya ama na wadi akire sa nti ono no aba e bia na ono na adwuma a obeye no eno so se me de na me beye no. Enti no na nipa na kazo bi atwen edru de so a na yato ye boase ajobi script ni akenkan ayeden akyerɛw so ye kenkan kyerɛw ni akyerɛw mu director no e ma ne continuity person and as an assistant bi e kenkan kyerɛw no kyerɛw mu a eno no hu de obeye no nche se ye mfa script nya adwuma mfa de metem
ye kyerɛw ase
script no e na nipa na to ne boase am obi ayeden akenkan ayeden ama ndi omo kase ye use script na se nipa no nya adwuma ni bidia I can pardon the person but so ye adwuma ni bidia cause director won crash script won timi nya adwuma dem ga what oh crash script na on timi nya adwuma no because say so unkuta scripter how do you even direct how do you even call shots so what I say and you know all that I'm saying is adwuma no ye the script ye adwuma ye the script ye adwuma but one or two people there ya no mo ba ya na they are giving the benefit of the doubt they are the script is read to them and then they are explained to and they are able to do it
okay talking about this so me hear movie be boa me oni Nana Mama Brown na me hear how we see Dean and na sometimes nipa na woni na play role no o feel like acting any influence on so during the time
I wouldn't be able to answer for because somebody like maybe
baby me sing baby I think so of late great trendy say banku or say then a woman was say okay by no was a banku ne gumba fa good out to ade do shoe through nti always ni bit me touching and I say is so acting
oh I want to believe acting because ye nyina no bia or ye dwuma bia nim say we there we are acting you are make believe you know and question you be say we be say eh man careful me nya kumayare o na me say what then ozi o hwe medwuma otimu say me bufu me butaifu I know the beauty of acting is that unya tese director na ka cut pe obunze nyina ya so serious man we hug each other we talk and then that's it and you know me nya sure say humanity me influence will be so no and then say ko basa then and acting then it becomes real no and unze juma no so yeah behind the scenes of no kra no do so chen actors na on stage what are perform no and you know ye nyina ye wo ho ade no ye nyina na read the scripts ye nyina na rehearse and yes actor sometimes you are able to do the role or enter so much into the character you do something sometimes yes me I'm interested in you hey you did this you know so yes you can say acting na fun it doesn't mean say you've gone off and as a BB in the line of acting yeah
wow because rules ne dey na emotion
and
therefore so
I wish that unya directors no more you direct these questions to them because I don't know exactly yes and obi share me papa bi also wo unya kura na so papa de djuma bia wo ye bia dem kwa na do so it's like that yeah the director's prerogative na yana deciding on what I should do and what I should not do yes.
Okay nana mpacho nche beja mo ko but me pese me bisa bibi se almost nsem bebre me say kra almost start ba shim wo me page say yes bring back the love of kumawood but interviews are yes no na obi ni obi wa asem na we have kana we have reply na we nti yes aso yes so jegum na nkofo so hwe a almost nsem ewo ho nti e ka say bring back the kumawood love na ekwe say me ni obi wa asem tu frame kra na yen solve nti I say odoni ni ho ahwe bi ewu ye kaso also now ye president nti issues e wo ho na mo solve no na mpacho ana
Poleeno, mama nkase efie bia mensem ye den ewu. And when we talk about bringing the love, the kumawood love back, we are talking about working and people appreciating what we are doing, and then watching them online, and then subscribing to some of these portals. Yeah, can one say me. But when say and social media, you are unable to control certain characters, as in certain individuals. Because at the end be honoma ebeba na wo betina na say wo be hu and then first message oh obente bra 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 why did you go about doing this and until now one friend no I reply that what I say until I make say back in the day we didn't have that privilege of just picking a phone saying ABCD the next minute is trending. No, we did not have that. And it be feel say quote and unquote it be feel say and no nebema obeye stardom never cost. But I beg to differ. In as much as I said, there's no publicity that is negative publicity. There are certain publicities that will also nosedive your career. Or that's it. Because and you obiana uchre wasimu achre no tiasie said the whole tiasie. Ebi kra no they all can kra wante. You be kan ya no na atonitri. But ni nyina no yen kan kre wo mo say adobre. Only obi issue it's not on social media. Only obi issue only mean issue must you go on air to go and say put me out there for the public to judge. No. I think in as much as me feel say yana e bi wo ho no ma omo ye didi agro. That is my belief. Say bi wo ho omo ye didi agro.
Yeah, fanfa trend.
Yeah, fanfa trend the kakra because a couple of them way back, when issues about me and my say people were oh senior we dey na come dey hype kakra. Me many mu ase. Mfanje hype and then I spoke to them, some of them politely, they understood me. Others too, my lawyers had to call them. Be recalcitrant. You mathematics or call ya no asan yes. And to say they make I should think say ebidi ediagro ebiso how they pay hype, but to the extent where a bloody dear we don't condone the from makasa.
Okay. Talking about issues about because nana ever two issue but once you enter one here on career I quite remember issues be by senior Agya Koo I say work with J MPP sick actors good be crowd only MPP now and same be but one come on here
to say them some of the issues you allow them to die naturally. At the end say no cry. You don't entertain it. Okay. You don't actually talk about it. We all know throw it out there as a bait.
Okay.
Oko sauce na hook you and then you'll be dragged here and there. Some of us will just allow maturity to set in and then we play the game its rules. Obizo ono no ntimi nhwe na omu na ni chi no nko obeba be posu no so na the one ye the and
spread issues
one kasa kra no spread issues no more. So me what I do is that if it is not true, maturedly I'll just calm myself, quietly be my somewhere, and then I'll allow it to go off, die out naturally. But that does not mean, sir, people should take me for granted. And I say, we don't allow that. We will not allow that as per me management. But to say the American, nipa ne bi o wa oni ne ye adwuma, o hwe ni so ne ban, o hwe de o ye, ni baby crow ko kan asem no. What do you think the German, So my thing.
Because one brass senior YOC a new week rana kumawood TV.
Yeah.
They say ojam mo ani lumba ma ho kan ho asem na o de pepper spray. E ho na so tu ne car and o de kogu o so free.
Oh. Well, I am not privy to it. I may say I'll find out what actually happened and then BB or why any and te said the mechanic na adwuma no you know it is if you be a mensem ye dey ewo but ye hu so bibi ba we should find a way of saying it or talking about it, kill it quietly, and then we avoid giving others the opportunity to bite and chew us all the time. Yeah.
Okay. Now number 2 ye na yakwanti final words to your for.
Oh, my final words to Arefo is we are bringing back the kumawood love. You know, the hashtag is reviving kumawood. Yes, Madaruma. Nye can say senior jumana mona maso yimu abisi ene. And nessa meti heya misi abonti friend me darling bill. Ya Madaruma intina me was sadino. Na CD CD dear. Ensign mabim. Ebeba krana ba kakra bi but enye bebre said the kan ne yenya no say juada bia ye beka cho so ko asemesi no bintin store ne ko pebito no say bi ne obium say applications number bi ne perfect TV app no so opa enya yira kwan o phone ne kra no Android phone ne kra no unya Play Store ho na ko ho a wo akwa perfect TV ebeba beto na wa download pe ebeba phone so or tablet or laptop or what do you call them, name them bibia wo bia na any gadget bia na timiko internet bia no ubetimi download perfect TV app no atoso na movie ya current ababia no ubenya bia ye den ahwe ewo honom na ewo no so no sa wo mobile money nko ade ubenya bi ahwe because they say everything was a one CD you say e be okra no one CD e be cry free movies ni bebregu e free ubehwa amoni age but e bi ade aba foforo de no wetu akakra bi na producers no so anya bi no de afami na so maye adwuma mu ahwe nti yeda mo ase nyame nhira mo e na ho te so say movie bi so aba na Adom TV4 e ka say omo ye kumawood premiers me pacho no anya daje no atena se no ahwe because movies are dey bra mu say ne dey apab ne nko a
nana ye be da was say oba ya oni ye betwetwe nkomo nyame show pa no onko so nya okese 20 years in the game there over 20 years in say isu sakra sana start here
ya na nyame ase na ya na mo so mo ase for opportunities talk to quote and unquote stars no you know na the yes friend say I am also no there no more positive ones positive ones na monka na munja beef say unye utimi shada ka say beef we dey be de now but ya say gugu ni ja ya kekre nsu beja ntino ya so ya da mo asinya mi shira we no collecting na
Inti ya for ye kono se ne na e kan no fa phone ne ko download the perfect TV app no ne ko on website so e bia won't me download the app now betimi ahwe website also so new movies ni nyina ye dey ba honom no subscribe as low as 1 CD first can you to see the be 5 CDs na ya test so dey about 1 CD na yes F ye ko ne support ye
Poleeno mama nka bibi kitua bi adwuma for fry your friend Obrane wa eno so a talk show eno so no obehwe na weekend bi akwasi ada bia e wo GH1 about 2:30 pepe no agi akonya no atena ase Obrane wa young up and coming oye babunu nko ade a obetena ase na empanyimfo a omo abobra omo experiences omo komu no omo ne ya che na bibia won so yesua dia obesua film bia no so because dipa bebre na feel say yamfa me example obi o me feel say o mpiti ya 20 years and asem ketwa ups and downs room wa Poleeno kakra me de ka ho ne say ye best rado for so say aya omoko YouTube a omo hwehwe Obrane wa ya interviews bebre gu ho no mo a mpanyimfo kuku dam omo de omo ho a na wu omo a wo be salute omo no omo amfiti preko pe no omo dru ba bi omo dru no yenim se omo so no omo break akra obi okra na we no oni ba bi ti obi oni ba bi da ba nyame adom wotimi a survival be dru sa time we omo no na yeje omo experiences and omo how they were able to make it and na ye ne omo atena se edi nkomo ye dia be gu YouTube ama so person hwe ne live so abetimi ahwe ne wo GH1 2:30 every Sunday. Kwesi adabia 2:30 Obranewa on GH1. Yeah, that was.
Obranewa so Instagram at Obranewa Instagram now what follow e so Poleeno_com follow and at Darling Bell follow. You do be see ya crown. Bye bye.